Ever missed the full event name because it got cut off? Today we will fix that with Let Event Titles Wrap in Samsung Calendar. This option controls whether long event names will appear in one line or wrap into multiple lines. It's useful if your event titles are long. To do so, open Samsung Calendar app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left. Then tap Setting. Tap Change Calendar Style. Scroll down the screen. And then enable or disable Let Event Titles Wrap. You can check the preview at the top to see how it looks instantly. If the option is on, long titles appears in multiple lines, while if the option is off, titles stay in one line. And that's it. Now you can choose between clean one-line titles or fully readable wrap titles. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.